Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make a Spotify playlist on Xbox. First thing first, launch the Spotify app from your Xbox dashboard. Sign in with your Spotify account and use the controller to search for songs, albums, or artists. You can also explore playlists and charts. Highlight a song you like and then press the menu button on your controller. Select Add to Playlist, then create New Playlist, and enter a name for your playlist. Now repeat the process for any track you want to add the same playlist. Choose Add to Playlist and select your created one. Now go to your library in the Spotify app and select Playlists, then pick the one you made. Start your playlist, then press the Xbox button and you can control volume and playback from the guide overlay while playing any game. Now you've got a custom Spotify playlist on Xbox ready to fuel your gaming sessions. And that's it, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.